Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to deposit money on Stake step by step. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. Now, let's get started. Open the Stake app on your device. Wait for the page to fully load. At the top, choose the coin you want to deposit. After selecting, you will see a wallet option. Click on it. You see two options, buy crypto or deposit. Just click deposit. After clicking deposit, a new interface will appear. Choose whether to deposit in local currency or crypto. Now, scan the QR code or copy the address to proceed. After scanning the QR code, enter the amount you want to deposit. That's it. Now you know how to deposit money on Stake easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.